says recording.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to edit this part out. Okay, here we are at the 2008 Chilly Hilly Creek crossing for the 10 mile. As you can see, we got ice. Somewhere around -2 degrees. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Runners are going to be coming through here in about an hour and 20 minutes. Not sure what I'm going to do about the ice, but I'm going to take a walk across there and see how wicked it is. I'm kind of thinking we probably can't stay on top of the ice, so I probably need to break it up. It's only fair that I give it a shot before the runners. I'm going to ask them to come out here. I have a feeling it's going to hurt really bad. My prediction is some people are going to get wet and some aren't. Being under 150 pounds is going to be a good thing today.
Woo! Good job, guys.
Come on down to the creek.
Oh, what happened? I thought it was frozen.
It is.
Oh!
Careful.
It is frozen.
Kind of.
Give me a look, Taylor. Come on. Oh, nice job.
Nicely done.
Woo! That's only one left, so it might be 5 by the time you come back.
Good job.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, is that Philip?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
You all right?
Huh? Careful.
Good job, guys.
Take her easy.
It's pretty patchy.
Enter at on the edge.
Might as well bust it through now, man.
Splashing.
Alright. Falling through is going to be a real shock. So.
Guys, right around the corner here, there is hot chocolate, Gatorade, and snack stuff. You want them right on the truck.
Good job.
Patchy at best.
Good job. Watch out, it's still solid in some places.
Oh, shit.
Oh no.
That's not good.
Oh, shoot, I don't have any other extra fans. There's hot chocolate and stuff up here. Woo!
Good job, guys.
Frozen, solid, you just never know till you step.
Pretty patchy.
There we go.
Wild, huh?
Woo! Give me a big
Nicely done. Good job, guys.
Oh, you're shitting me. I'm not getting my feet wet.
One guy came across right. Oh, it looks broken now, but he didn't get his feet wet.
Jason came across this line right here where this crack is this morning.
And some of this looks, yeah.
There's a couple little holes there, but it seems like it's pretty solid.
I'm not getting my feet wet.
Remember, you're not racing this one. Put your bag on.
Ah, shit.
You're in now.
Watch out right here. It's solid on this side.
Careful on that one. It's a butt one.
Good job. Careful, guys. It's kind of.
Trash bag work.
All right, no one's tried it yet.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Dumbass idea.
I only weigh 125 pounds.
Oh.
Careful.
Spoke too soon, Ben.
Holy shit.
Careful. Nice.
Pick it up here.
Sure.
Woo, careful.
Nicely done, guys. Good job.
Ripple.
Oh, right at the last second.
That show a lot of restraint.
You want to see that one thing I'm talking about?
All right, guys.
How we doing, guys?
It's open in some places, so watch yourself.
Oh.
Nicely done. Good job.
I'm glad I lost that 20 pounds.
There you go. Might be a bit deeper down there, guys. That's our kind of guess that if you fall, you might be in way past your ankle.
It might be worth it, but it might not.
Yeah, it's a roll of the dice. How are you at craft?
What if we spread out like spread eagle?
Then if you go through, you get your whole body wet.
All right. How we doing?
Good job.
Not bad. Insulated.
Nice, Tim. Get after it.
Well, let's watch this, you guys.
Woo! Nice.
Good job.
Dude, we should have brought him. Should we do it?
You're just going for it, huh?
I don't like that sound.
Slow and steady. Look at you. Not even breaking
Got
a sweat.
Beautiful.
Woo!
Slide your feet.
It looks thicker here.
Slide it.
Oh, I'm gliding.
It's not cracking. Yet.
Come on, Dave. Speed up.
We got a race horse here. Nice.
Good job.
All right.
Hey guys, there's water, Gatorade, hot chocolate, snacks all right there on the tailgate.
Hey, boys.
Good job, guys.
No water, Gatorade and hot cocoa.
Just watch yourself. It's open in some places, but it's still frozen in others.
Okay, I can't think about it.
Careful coming out on this side. It's still solid.
Ice under there.
Whoa! You all right?
Woo! Photo op though. I missed it. I missed it. You guys are gonna have to do that on the way back again, okay? Okay. Work. There's trash bagger.
Nicely done.
Trash bagger, good job.
Oh, jeez.
Careful, it's still solid on this side.
Oh, no!
Careful, just across the middle here. It's still solid.
Adrenaline's going, otherwise.
Still solid right there. Well, now it's not.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Camera. What? There's hot chocolate and Gatorade and snacks in the tailgate of the car right there.
More trash baggers. Just be careful when you come out on this side. It's still kind of solid.
Solid pieces in there. Are you making it?
Right about there is where it solids up again.